1 tablespoon cooking oil. 1 tablespoon garlic, chopped. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Cook until translucent. 300 grams chicken, minced. Cook until it changes color. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. 1/2 teaspoon oregano. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon peri-peri sauce. 1 tablespoon vinegar. Mix well. Cover and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Cook until water dried out. Turn off the stove. 3 tablespoons mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. Mix well. Set aside. Bread slices. Add prepared chicken. Add cheese. Apply slurry. One egg. 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. Water as per required. Mix well. Dip in egg mixture. Breadcrumbs. Medium hot cooking. Fry on medium flame until crispy and light brown.